Hello everyone, I am Tithi Agrawal. With so many F1 races happening all around the globe throughout the year, we definitely need some tool that can help us prepare a comparative analysis. Here we bring to you flows and assets where you can build and execute F1 workflows easily. Let's go to the Create button and create a new flow. We can create any type of workflow that we want using Athena flows. We have text inputs, we have text outputs, then we also have any prompts that can be used to pass into any LLM. Then we have multiple data sources which you can use to connect to your data. You can fetch data directly from Athena Drive or connect your Google Drive or access Athena SQL query as well. We have n number of models that can be used for generative AI analysis. You can use OpenAI, you can use Google Gen AI, or just an Athena model which is highly curated, and you can choose which model to use for your analysis. Next, we also have a lot of helper functions like combine text for multiple text outputs, or send an email component which can be used to send an email to the specified recipient using the subject line and email body. Then we have a lot of output components like structured output, which you can use to generate a schema out of your output. We also have a lot of vector stores, embeddings, and some experimental components that are coming up soon, which you can use to create any type of workflow. With so many tools at your disposal, there is no workflow that you can practically not create using Athena flows. Let's see what we're going to do for this demo. For this one, I have already created two flows called most race wins and most fastest laps. Here we are taking a document ID as a text input from Athena and fetching the document from Drive, then parsing the data as text and running it through an LLM with a prompt which asks the LLM to answer a specific question based on our need. Let's see how we can use this in our sheets. We will drag and drop the flows that we need to the workbench and also select the data set that we want to use for this purpose, which is the season 2024 race results. Now let's open our sheet which has the comparative analysis. As you can see, this sheet already has the comparative analysis for the top drivers with most number of race wins and most number of fastest laps for the seasons 2013 to 2023. Let's add another row for the 2024 season. What I need to do is basically drag and drop this document, and the document ID will be fetched automatically if I drag and drop the previous cell here. Just have to drag and drop the flow here. This can be done for all the other cells as well by just dragging and dropping the cell content. When the results load, you have the exact output from the flow here in your Athena sheet. Now there is another prompt call that extracts just the names of the top drivers from the results that are generated by the flow. So we have a comparative analysis of the top drivers for 2013 to 2024. Let's see if I can email this to myself, and let's see if Athena can summarize and email this to the specified email address. See, this is the summary generated by Athena, and it says that the email has been sent. So we'll open our inbox and we can see that the summary of that spreadsheet is right here in my email. Thank you.